It was a time to celebrate at Shenandoah Medical Center Thursday morning to celebrate a new service in the region, one providing cancer treatment services closer to home. After a long construction period and a long wait, Shenandoah Medical Center officials formally unveiled its Robert S. Holmes Family Cancer Center, a $13 million project ushering the center and SMC into a new era of cancer treatment for KMA land residents. SMC Oncology Director Jenny Vandervliet extols the virtues of an important piece of the project, a new linear accelerator providing radiation treatment in a closer proximity to KMA land.
My patients that have radiation therapy come 5 days a week typically, so it's a big commitment for patients. So it's really nice that we're able to offer this locally. It would be a big burden on patients or their families to have to drive them to Omaha or Council Bluffs 5 days a week.
Dr. Mo Abdi arrived at the hospital in July as its new radiation oncologist. Abdi says the center's patient load has grown since its soft opening last summer.
When we look at what patients are suffering from across the country, in our state, is essentially the two major illnesses are cardiac disease, right? Number one, and number two is cancer. So having a fully functional cancer center that provides both the radiation aspect and also the chemotherapy with Dr. Breyer, and we also have a general surgeon here, Dr. Rose, to take care of our surgeries for breast cancer. We're able to treat patients from all the way from the screening for breast cancer, and their biopsies, all the way down to getting their lumpectomies, their chemotherapy, and the radiation here at the cancer center.
Other new features include a new rehabilitation room, new examination and dressing rooms, and a new nursing station. Hospital CEO Matt Sells credits the Holmes family for providing the spark to make the project happen.
I also had the opportunity to meet with Marilyn and Jenny and Dan and Craig and Julie over the last few years, and I think it was the end of 2019 when we really started to talk about, okay, we want to do something to remember Bob's memory, and I'm so proud that we were able to partner together to make this happen.
For SKIA Executive Vice President Greg Connell, the center has deep meaning. Connell is a patient at the facility.
I can't tell you how important and comforting it is in order to have this facility rather than traveling 100 to 200 miles for the same type of treatment. Cancer is a tough diagnosis, but thank you to the Holmes family, the Shenandoah Medical Center, for making that just a little bit easier with this great facility. Thank you.
Other new amenities include a new chapel and a pharmacy scheduled for a March opening. For KMA News, I'm Mike Peterson.